Okay, first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Here, Scott, I know you left a voice, or I got your email through the voicemail on your phone, so I'm just kind of going out on a limb here, shooting you over this short video here I wanted to put together, maybe help you understand a little bit more about a website and getting some exposure on Google. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions. So a couple things that are really important that you need here: content, backlinks, and citations. So, of course, you understand every time you type something in here, these are considered a keyword search. And so Google uses this to look for websites that best fit the search criteria for what's being typed in here through their content and their keyword. Search engine optimization, SEO. And so what happens is Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to, to these keywords. And then Google will categorize them. And this is how you start to establish a rank structure based on what's being searched and what websites meet the criteria with their content and their keywords. Now, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So I want to just briefly touch on a few things. Obviously, this is the map area. We call this the map pack. Here in the map pack, it's directly related to your Google Business Profile and citations. Citations are anything that's listed, name, address, and phone number for you and your business, exactly as your Google Business Profile is listed, name, address, phone number. And then with the search area within your Google Business Profile, you get exposed in the map. That is the rank structure for the map area, citations, and the Google Business. Of course, this generates a lot of local traffic. That creates more leads, and those become sales. A lot of people search tree service near me, or Raleigh, or Cary, or whatever it be, whatever the area that you've included in your business profile that you want to cover would help you rank here with your citations. And directories for citations are like Yelp, Angie, Better Business, Yellow Pages. Once Google starts to see your business being referenced more often with some endorsement behind it, this is how you're going to start to bring more value and you're going to start to move up the rank structure. Everything underneath the map is considered an organic rank through content and keyword, with the exception of advertisements like Yelp, Angie, RaleighTreeService.com is not. This is an org. Trimming. The point that I wanted to make here was that number one right here we have Raleigh Tree Service Arbor Max Tree. So I have taken him. Here's his website. And to give you an idea of how this works, I have a tool. The tool is called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes. Now, as I said, you need backlinks. Backlinks are important. It is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust, and it creates popularity. So we have backlinks, and then from those backlinks, we have 117 directly connected domains. And not all backlinks are created equal. You need to understand that it's important to have a strong domain rank with decent traffic. And I say that because not all backlinks are equal, as in the ice cream or pizza shop down the street from your house referring back to you doesn't carry as much weight and power behind it as another tree service referring back to you. So it's important to keep those things in mind. And all the backlinks that he has, you can have, and then some. You connect right to his and then add even more. So if he's got 337, you want 500. He has 502 keywords that are bringing him 932 views a month for traffic. So he's getting a lot of exposure. And this actually just went up 181. So when we're looking at keywords, like I was saying, anything that's typed into Google here is a keyword search for the service that you need. And Google's crawling the websites looking for the content and the words that are relevant. Tree crane or tree removal crane is searched 450 times. Tree crane removal, see that? Another 450 times. Tree service Raleigh, 400 times. Tree service Raleigh, North Carolina, 350 times. So you understand that this is per month, the views per keyword search. So that will generate a lot of exposure. Now, I wanted to give you just another quick example of another tree service, which just comes in here at number 3, Everett's Tree Service. Again, I have Everett's Tree. I plugged him into the same tool. So he's looking at 151 backlinks, 187 words, but his keywords and his content is spot on because it's bringing him 544 views a month. So understanding how this works and how these things come together hopefully will give you a better idea of how a well-built website needs to be put together, so that you can be established with trust through Google and endorsed by other referring domains and backlinks, so that you can get yourself generating some traffic, which of course that becomes, customers and sales. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they'll fall short with the content and the SEO. And then you'll say to yourself, I have this website built, but I'm not getting any traffic. I don't understand what's going on. And it's because the content and the SEO, the backlinks, they weren't put together the right way. So with that being said, I was hoping that you might be able to find some interest in this, have a little more of an appreciation or an understanding of how websites do get to the first page of Google and how the rank structure works. And with that being said, I really hope you found this insightful. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch it. If you wanted some more information, I could do some digging for you to find out what you would need that would be realistic to your business or your goals, and help you get yourself on the first page of Google or get yourself some more customers ranked in to bring some more business. Again, thanks for your time. Have a nice night.